Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on setting up volume-based pricing on Foundation's seller portal. Volume-based pricing, also known as tiered pricing, is an effective strategy to encourage your buyers to purchase larger quantities by offering less per unit cost for higher volumes. Let's take a walk through the process together. First, log into the seller portal. On the left-hand column, you'll find the Products section. Click on All Products to navigate to your product list. Now, select the product for which you want to set up volume-based pricing. Once you're on the product page, navigate to the Pricing tab. Here, you will see all the SKUs for that product. Let's start with setting up the volume tiers. By default, the volume is set to 1+. This means any quantity of 1 or more would cost the default price. To add a new tier, click on the plus sign. Enter the quantity where this new tier starts. For example, if you enter 21, the first tier will automatically adjust to 1 to 20, and the second tier will be 21+. The price for this new tier will initially be 0. But don't worry, you can change this according to your pricing strategy. For instance, if the default price was $25 per unit for 1 to 20 units, you could reduce this to $22 per unit for 21 units or more, incentivizing your buyers to purchase in larger quantities. You can add as many tiers as you need, and each time you add a new tier, the previous tiers will adjust automatically. Once you're satisfied with your tiers and their respective prices, don't forget to click Save. Now, let's see how this looks from the buyer's perspective. Navigate to the storefront and select the product you just adjusted. You'll see the tiers and their respective prices. When a buyer adds the product to their cart, the per unit price for their quantity will be highlighted. If they increase the quantity and move to a higher volume tier, the highlighted price will adjust accordingly. This visual feedback encourages buyers to purchase more to benefit from the lower per unit cost. And that's it. You successfully set up volume-based pricing on Foundation's seller portal. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.